Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on Amazon Connect. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What is Amazon Connect? Amazon Connect Agent Workspace, Amazon Connect Chat and Messaging, Amazon Connect Tasks, Contact Lens, Amazon Queue in Amazon Connect, Forecasting, Capacity Planning and Scheduling, Amazon Connect Voice ID, Amazon Connect Customer Profiles, Amazon Connect Outbound Campaigns, Cases and Reporting. So what is Amazon Connect? It's an AI-powered cloud contact center solution. Amazon Connect leverages AI technology to provide a powerful and efficient cloud-based contact center solution. So contact center similar to like call center solution. So it provides all the tools and services and components necessary to run a successful call center. The system automatically detects customer issues, enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of customer service. Agents receive relevant information about customers, enabling them to provide personalized service and solutions. The platform suggests appropriate responses and actions to agents, helping them resolve issues more quickly. Setting up a contact center with Amazon Connect is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. You can add agents located anywhere in the cloud, which allows for flexible and distributed workforce. Amazon Connect supports voice, which is over phone, chat, SMS, web calling, video, and tasks, offering a comprehensive solution for customer interactions. Amazon Connect Agent Workspace. So out of the box, Agent Workspace integrates all of your agent-facing capabilities on one page. For example, when an agent accepts a call, chat, or a task, they receive necessary information about the case and the customer, plus real-time recommendations. You can customize the agent workspace by creating step-by-step guides that suggest to agents what to do at a given moment during a customer interaction. So agents are basically humans which can be spread or distributed all over the world, and as soon as they receive a certain case, they will be offered all these guidance from the Amazon Connect service to work on that specific case. And you can also have step-by-step guides on how to resolve a certain issue. So they will see all the history and all, so that they can successfully resolve the customer issue. Amazon Connect Chat and Messaging feature. You can help customers through text-based communication channels such as web chat, mobile chat, SMS, and third-party messaging apps such as WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. By using Amazon Connect Chat and Messaging features, you can set up an AI-powered chatbots and step-by-step guides so customers can self-serve. If customers need assistance, agents get all of the prior context from the self-service interactions to ensure a seamless transition. The agent can search for quick responses that they can type in the chat. For example, they can type BRB, which is be right back, to respond in the chat, which indicates that give me a couple of minutes while I investigate the issue. So basically they will type BRB, but you can set up that it will give a custom message how you want to convey to the customer. Okay, Amazon Connect Tasks. To ensure customer issues are quickly resolved, you use tasks to prioritize, track, route, and automate agent tasks. Your agents can create and complete tasks in the same user interface where they take calls and chats. Managers can also use workflows to automate tasks that do not require agent interaction. The agent can create a task for a contact while at the same time on chats with other agents. The agent can also have a scheduled task to follow up with the agents. Next feature is Contact Lens. You use Contact Lens to monitor, measure, and continuously improve contact quality and agent performance. You use it to perform the following tasks. Analyze conversation using conversational analytics, so you can uncover trends and improve customer service by understanding sentiment, conversation characteristics, emerging contact themes, and agent compliance risks. It includes a generative AI-powered contact summary to help you quickly understand essential information about the contact, how customer sentiment changes as the contact progresses, and the distribution of talk time between the agent and the customer. So contact is basically the conversation progresses. Evaluate agent performance. You can review conversation alongside contact details, recordings, transcripts and summaries without the need to switch applications. You can define and assess agent performance criteria, for example, adherence to the script, sensitive data collection and customer greetings, and automatically pre-populate evaluation forms. Managers can perform evaluations faster and more accurately with generative AI powered recommendations for answers to questions in agent evaluation forms. And on the right side of the page will be some evaluation which includes generative AI powered evaluation recommendation. Then you can set up and review agent screen recordings. So you can review agent actions handling customer contacts by reviewing screen recordings, and this helps you to ensure adherence to quality standards, compliance requirements and best practices. It also helps you identify coaching opportunities and bottlenecks so you can streamline workflows. Search for contacts. You can search for contacts as far as back 2 years ago. Choose from an extensive list of filters to quickly find the contacts you need. For example, you can search by custom attributes specific to your business, such as MVP, or search for in-progress contacts. Managers can view the contact details page for in-progress contact and the real-time transcript. In addition, they can transfer, reschedule or end in-progress contacts. So basically, contacts, as I talked about, it's like a conversation happening. So you can, all the conversation or the contact between the agent or the customer will be recorded, and you can search for it as far as 2 years back, all the conversation that has happened. So all the recordings, what took place, what was advised, everything will be recorded. You can monitor live and recorded conversations. So you can monitor live voice and chat conversations and batch live voice conversations, and this is especially useful for agents in training. Managers use the real-time matrix page to choose the contexts they want to monitor. So this is an important feature in Amazon Connect contact lens. This is to improve the overall service and agent training and all the history of all the conversation that has happened between customers and the agents. Next one is Amazon Q in Connect. You can use Amazon Q in Connect to automatically detect customer intent during calls and chats. So this is another service, Amazon Q. Amazon Q in Connect uses the real-time conversation with the customer along with the relevant company content to automatically recommend what to say or what actions an agent should take to better assist the customer. Agents can also use natural language to search across connected knowledge sources to receive generated responses, recommend actions and provide any kind of links. Okay, next is important feature is forecasting, capacity planning and scheduling. So if you run a contact center or call center, these three are important aspect of that business: forecasting, capacity planning and scheduling. So first one, ML powered features to predict, allocate and verify that the right number of agents are scheduled at the right time. So it helps with operational goals, help meet goals with minimal overstaffing. Predictions, it can anticipate contact volume and arrival rates and staffing needs. It converts forecast into projected staffing needs and daily shifts. Assign daily shifts to the right number of agents. Next one is forecasting, which is the starting point for scheduling and capacity planning activities. So creation requirement, you must create a corresponding forecast before generating a schedule or capacity plan. Then forecast, which is basically predicts future contact volume and average handle time. Third one is about historical metrics. You can use historical metrics to create the forecast. Next aspect is capacity planning, which helps estimate a long-term full-time equivalents, FTEs, full-time equivalents requirements for contact centers. So time frame can be estimates up to 18 months, and full-time equivalence requirements specify the number of FTE agents required to meet service level targets for certain period. And lastly, scheduling, which is creation of agent schedules for day-to-day workloads, and this involves something like flexibility. Schedules need to be flexible and meet business and compliance requirements. Efficiency, create efficient schedules optimized for per channel service level or average speed of answer targets. Then schedule generation, So based on some factors, it can be short-term published forecast. So you use short-term published forecast for scheduling. Then shift profiles, which is a template for weekly shifts. Staffing groups, agents that can handle specific types of contacts from a specific forecast group. And human resources and business rules. So manages schedules based on HR and business rules. So this is just to give you a very high level overview of what are the different aspects or what are the things you need to be aware when running a contact center, and these are the important business needs. Okay, coming to Amazon Connect Voice ID feature. You use Amazon Connect Voice ID for real-time caller authentication and fraud risk detection to make voice interactions faster and more secure. Voice ID analyzes a caller's unique voice characteristics to provide agents and self-service interactive voice response (IVR) systems with real-time decisions on caller's identity. It also screens for fraudulent actors in real time based on your contact center's custom watch list, reducing potential losses from fraudulent attacks. If the agent is talking to a caller who has been authenticated, the fraud risk will be obviously low. Next feature is Amazon Connect Customer Profiles. You use Amazon Connect Customer Profiles to combine information from external applications with the contact history from Amazon Connect. For example, you can combine contacts with information from Salesforce, Zendesk, ServiceNow, or other customer relationship management (CRM) products to create customer profiles that have all the information that agents need during the customer interactions in a single place. With a single view of customer information, including their product, case, and contact history, agents can quickly confirm the customer's identity and determine the reason for the call or chat. Next feature is Amazon Connect Outbound Campaigns. You can create high volume, machine learning powered outbound campaigns to contact up to millions of customers daily for handling appointment reminders, marketing promotions, deliveries, and billing reminders. You can specify the contact list, channel, message, and even pre-recorded audio to play before connecting customers to agents for live service. Outbound campaigns includes a predictive dialer and machine learning ML powered answering machine detection. This feature can help you optimize agent productivity and increase live party connections by not wasting agent time with unanswered calls. Okay, next as feature is cases. So agent use Amazon Connect cases to track and manage customer issues that require multiple interactions, follow-up tasks, or teams in your contact center. They can document customer issues with all the relevant case details such as the date, time opened, issue summary, customer information, and status in a single unified view. So next is understanding Amazon Connect reporting. Amazon Connect provides powerful tools to capture the most granular details of your contact center operations. These dashboards allow for real-time and historical metric customization to fit specific needs. You can stream detailed contact metrics to your preferred data lake for comprehensive analysis. By combining contact metrics with other data such as the conversation rates or customer satisfaction, you can make data-driven decisions that enhance productivity and reduce wait times. These metrics helps identify trends in customer issues and operational performance, providing valuable long-term insights. Amazon Connect offers a variety of predefined reports that can be further customized to add more real-time and historical metrics, and these reports are real-time metrics report, which monitors current performance, historical metrics reports, which reviews past performance, login logout reports, which tracks agent logins and logouts, and agent activity audit report, which is audit agent activities for compliance and performance review. And that's all. Thanks for watching.